In this video, we got a brand new Banshee engine from the bottom up. Let's talk about the setup. Let's take it for a ride and let's see if she rips. See ya. Alright guys, we just got done rebuilding this bad boy all the way from the bottom to the top, literally. New crankshaft, engine cases, cylinders, carbs, the whole 9 yards. I got the complete engine rebuild video on my channel, so if you want to go check it out more in detail, you're more than welcome. But this video is just going over the setup that I used, what parts that were used, and taking it for a test drive and seeing how this bad boy rips. So let's start with the obvious. So we're running a set of FMF Gold Series fatty headers with silencers. They're not the best, they're not the worst, but that's what we're working with, baby. FMF. Then we got a Pro Design cool head with 21cc domes, which is set up for high test pump fuel. That's sitting on top of a set of stock bore, triple exhaust ported Athena cylinders, which has a set of stock bore Wiseco Pro Light pistons in it. Then we have a set of V Force 4 reeds with oversized intake boots, which eliminate the boost bottle. With a nice set of TM32 Mikuni flat slide carburetors. Then we're running oversized intake boot adapters so we can use the stock airbox, which the stock airbox has the Pro Flow adapter and K&N filter. Then we riddled the top of the air filter box with as many unite filters as possible. And as far as electronics, we got a Rix high output stator, set at +3 degrees on the timing with an OEM flywheel. We have an OEM coil, an OEM CDI box. And then as far as the crankshaft, we got a stock rod length, stock stroke, hot rods crank. We have this nice lock-up clutch cover, no lock-up clutch with a Tusk clutch pack in it. We got some engine ice running through this bad boy. We got her tuned in pretty good. So let's fire this thing up, take her for a ride, and see if the setup's any good, guys. See ya! She rips, baby. Alright guys, that bad boy definitely rips, man. She pulled hard through every gear. She didn't break up at all, so that's telling me that the timing and the porting's right on. She idled good, she was real responsive. She's breaking loose second, third gear on the pavement, so this bad boy in the trails is going to be absolutely nuts. So if you guys are interested in a new setup on your Banshee, or if you're looking to spice up your bike at all, I'll recommend this one. So, till the next project guys, I'll see you. Peace.